arranged our website is. So our menu, though our menu, we might need to use the hamburger sign for our menu, okay, for proper usage and things and views like that, okay. But at least we still have something very nice here, okay. So, and that is because we have been able to set our mobile view using the media query, okay. So we use the media query to set the max width, okay. We have used to set the max width to what? 768px, okay. So that's the max width. So okay, and here we have our main direction. We said we use the flex direction as column, okay. You know, we spoke about flex direction in one of our videos. We'll talk about, we have the flex direction row and flex direction column, okay. So those let's look at what we have here again. So you can see that the flex direction is what? Is arranged in columns, okay. Good. So that's that. So then we see our, okay, let's go back to our mobile version. Let's go back to our mobile version. Okay, good. So back to our website version, rather our desktop version. So then we have been able to see our navigation area, then the header area, which is also the main, as I said, okay. So inside the main we have our inside the main we have our my awesome website. Then we have learn HTML layout the right way. So we can try to add a button. We can try to add a button there, okay. And try to add a button under that, okay, just inside. Okay, yeah, this is what is it here. So we can try to add a button here. You can say button, okay. We can just say get started, and then we have another button that says make inquiries, okay. So then by the time we save it and then we come back to our page, can you see it now? So we have it here, get started and make inquiries, okay. So we are beginning to build our website already. So we can go inside our styling, okay, inside our style, just above the media query, okay. We can just come here and say button, okay. Button, we can try to say padding. Let's say padding should be 8px, okay. So then let's say border, let's add border should be let's say 1px, solid, let's say black, okay. Then let's say border radius should be around, let's say 9px, okay. And let's save it and let's come back to see what we have on our page. Okay, good. So can you see what we have now? So get started and make inquiries is now bigger and bolder, okay. So with that, you are beginning to make our website, you are beginning to make it look awesome already, okay. So do well to watch this video over again, see how you can style a website, look at the layouts, look at how good your website can, or how good you can style your website or make your website come out, okay. So if you want to do that, I will see you in the next video. We will talk about responsiveness, okay. Talk about responsiveness in our next video. So do well to like